Hello students, today we will discuss paper number 301, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. See the first one, a certain number of people sit in a row facing north direction and H sits second to the left of K and 3 persons sit between K and B. A sits second to the right of B and fourth to the fourth from one of the ends. So, here we have a row and in this row certain number of people are sitting. Two possibilities. So, first one, A sits second to the right of B and fourth to the one of the end. So, first assumption, see the first one 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here A is placing 3 and 4. Here A is placing and A sits second to the right of B. So, and A is second to the right of B. Here B is placing. Next, coming to the first one, 3 persons sit between K and B. So, between K and B there are totally 3 persons are there. So, 1, 2 and 3. Coming to this possibility 1, 2 and 3. Here K is there and also 1, 2 and 3. Here also K is placing. Two possibilities. And next, H sits second to the left of K. If K is placing here, second to the left, that is A. So, K is not placing here. So, K is placing here, here H is coming. Coming to this one, here also left, that is A, this possibility is not applicable. And next, one person sits between A and U, who sits immediate left of P. So, one person is between A and U and U is immediate left of P. So, if U is placing here and P is placing here, and next number of persons sit to the right of U is same number of persons sit to the left of S. So, here right of U, that is one person is there, then left of S is also one person is there. Next, 3 persons sit between H and S. So, between H and S there are 3 persons are there. N is sit exactly between S and U. So, S here and U here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, between S and U there are 13 people are there and exact middle, that is 7th person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here that is N is placing here. Okay. So, it is the final arrangement of this puzzle and let us move on to the questions. See the first question, who among the following person third to the left of N? So, third to the left of N, that is 1, 2, 3 H. How many persons in the row? So, total in persons. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and that is total 17 persons are there. How many persons between A and K? So, between A and K, so 2, 4, 5, 5 persons are there. So, 2, 4, 5. If one person sit between S and M, who among the following sit fourth to the right of M? So, between S and M one person is there. So, S here and M is placing here and from M fourth to the right. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is K. Which of the following statement is true? P and K are immediate neighbors. So, P and K are not immediate neighbors. H second to the left of N. So, H is the third to the left of N. B sits third to the right of K. So, B is 1, 2, 3. Actually, B is not third to the right of K. B is fourth to the left of U. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is the answer. Next. So, see question number 6, inequalities. See the first one, conclusion, E greater than S. So, E here and S here. So, so A greater than S and next that is E equal to G, that is N. So, P. So, see E equal to G greater than A greater than S. Okay. So, first one is definitely follows. Next, B greater than N. So, B here, before B there is opposite symbol, this is not follows, only one is follows. Next, Y equal to T. So, Y equal to E and E less than K. So, here first one is not follows. And a question next, conclusion 2, J less than E. So, J here, J before J K and K to E. So, this one definitely follows. Next 8th one, n greater than m. So, n here and m here. So, m to n definitely follows. O less than u. So, O here and u here, it is also definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Option 5 is the answer. Both 1 and 2 are true. Next, question number 9. R greater than D. So, R here and D here. So, here both are opposite signs. So, first one is not follows. O equal to P. So, O here and P here. So, second one is also not follows. 4, option 4, neither 1 or 2 is follow. Next, question number 10. B greater than H. So, B here and H here, and so there is opposite signs are there. So, B equal to A greater than O. So, from A, here both are opposite signs. And next, H greater than or equal to B. So, instead of B, here H greater than or equal to B, this is also not follow. 1 is not follow, 2 is not follow, but both are complementary pairs. Option 3 is the answer. Next, one more puzzle is there. See the puzzle. 8 persons A to H work in a school. Each of them has different designations: director, principal, vice principal, senior teacher, teacher, assistant teacher, and a librarian and assistant librarian. The designations are in decreasing order such that director is the senior most position and assistant librarian is the junior most position. So, first of all director, and next principal, vice principal, senior teacher, and next assistant teacher, librarian, assistant librarian. See the first one. Number of persons are senior to H is 1 more than the number of persons junior to H. So, if H is placing here, senior of H, that is 4, and junior of H, that is 3. Okay. Next, there is one designation between H and E. So, between H and E, one designation is there. Number of persons junior to E is same as the designations between A and F, who is just senior to D. So, between A and F, so there are ఎంతమంది అయితే లైస్ ద బిలో ఈకి ఉన్నారో అంతే పర్సన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఉంటారు. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు డి అంటున్నాడు. ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు డి అంటున్నాడు. సో, ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. It means between A and F is also 5 persons are there. Suppose if A is placing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, F is placing here and D is placing here. It is the one possibility. Coming to this one, below E, that is 1 person is there. So, between A and F is also 1 person is there, and also F is immediately above D. Suppose if A is placing here and F is placing here and D is placing here, only one possibility is there. Only one possibility is there. And next point, there is one designation between D and B, who is not senior to F. In the sense, B is junior to F. So, here in the first possibility, below F only D is there. So, this one is not applicable. Coming to this one, so below F and 2 places are there. There is one designation between D and B. So, between D and B, there is one designation is there, and who is not senior to F. So, this one is applicable. So, and next HB. Okay. So, already D is there. So, already ikkada D unnadu kada. So, D unnadu kabatti that is B is placing here. Saripotundi. B ikkada pedthe saripotundi. Number of persons are senior to C is 1 more than the number of persons junior to G. Only 2 places we left. If C is placing here, C is 1 person is more than G. Okay. So, this one is follows. So, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. Questions like Eldamika. See the first question. Question number 11. Who among the following assistant teacher? Assistant teacher, that is B. How many persons junior to B? 2 persons. Which of the following designation does D? So, D is the senior teacher. Who among the following just to junior to A? So, just to junior to A, that is C. So, C is the answer. Which of the following combination is correct? E, assistant teacher. So, E is librarian, C, driver, not director, not correct. D is the teacher, not correct. B, librarian, not correct. G, assistant librarian, option 5 is the answer. Next 16 to 20. So, see the first one, question number 16. Which of the following is fifth element to the right of 10th element from left hand? So, here fifth from right and 10th from left. Fifth from right, 10th from left. Okay, so both are different kabatti we can add. So, directly 15th from left, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 15, that is 9. 9 is the answer. How many such even numbers are there which is immediately preceded by number and immediately followed by a symbol? Okay. So, number, even number and symbol, we need to find these combinations. So, see number, even number, symbol. So, number, even number. So, even number and next number, even number and symbol. So, number, even number and symbol, only one combination is there. Next, question number 18. How many such symbols are there which is immediately followed by a prime number and immediately preceded by a symbol? So, we need to find symbol, symbol and prime number. Okay. So, these combinations ekkada undayo chuddam. So, 2 symbols undali at a time, 2 symbols and prime number, and next 2 symbols and prime number. So, this one is the one, only 2 combinations are there. Next, if all the even numbers are eliminated from the series, which of the following element will be 9th from right end? So, 9th from right end, when if all the even numbers are eliminated, 9th from right end. So, see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So, option 4 is the answer. Next, what will be the sum of all the odd numbers immediately preceded by a symbol? So, before symbol ఎన్ని ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో వాటి యొక్క సమ్ చూడమంటున్నారు, సింబల్ అండ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్. సో అండ్ 1 అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 2. సో 5 plus 1 total 6 is the answer. Next 21 to 25. Again we have one more puzzle is there. See the first one. 9 people A, C, D, P, S, T, W, X and Z were born in different years 1999, 2000, 2002, 4, 5, 11, 12, 16 and 2018 on same date, that is 31st December, but not necessarily in the same order. Their ages are calculated on 31st December 2021 ki calculate cheyamantunnadu. So, see ikkada starting from years. So, 1999, 2000, 2 and 2004, 2005, 2011, 2012 and 16 and 18. So, total 9 years are there. So, what are their ages చూద్దాం ఒకసారి when calculated on 31st December 2021. So, first 1999, if a person born in 1999 and that person has totally 21 plus 1, that is 22 years, it is the age. Okay. So, it is the age. Next, if 2000, that is 21 years and 2000 to 19 and 4 and 17 and next 2005 in the sense 16 and 10 years, next 9 years, 5 years and 3 years are there. Okay. So, it is the puzzle. So, let us move on to the questions. See the first one. WA is age is an even number. Okay, W has even number. It is the W first possibility, and next 16th, and next 10th W. Third 3 possibilities. 3 persons born between W and P. So 1, 2, 3. Here P is there, and 1, 2, 3. Here P, 2, 3. Here also P is there. Next 1, 2, 3. Here P is placing. And next, difference between the ages of P and D is 1 year. Between P and D, 1 year. It means D is placing here. Okay, 17 years, 16 years. Between difference 1 year. Next, here also D is there. So here 5 and 3 kabatti ikkada P raadu. Okay, so ikkada P raadu. Next, here D is placing. Next, 3 persons were born between D and X. So 1, 2 and 3. Here X is there. 1, 2, 3 X, and 1, 2, 3. Here X is there. Sum of the ages of X plus Z is equals to S antunnadu. T is 2 years younger than A. So T is the 2 years younger than A. సో మనము ఎక్కడ మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి కండిషన్స్ అనేటివి సాటిస్ఫై అవుతాయో చూద్దాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ చూద్దాం. ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎస్ అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎస్. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ దట్ ఈస్ 5 years ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ దట్ ఈస్ 10 years, and third possibility x is 16 years. Okay, so we need to check this one. Suppose if z is 5 kabatti 10 తీసుకుంటే యాక్చువల్లీ 15 ఉండాలి, బట్ 15 we don't have 15. Suppose ఒకవేళ 9 తీసుకుంటే 9 plus 5 that is 14, there is no 14. And if 3 తీసుకుంటే 9 plus 3 that is 12, there is no 12. And if 19 తీసుకుంటే 19 plus 5 24, there is no 24. So this possibility is not correct. Next, coming to the this one, if x age is 10 years and if w, so we need to find z kada. So suppose if z is 5 years, so 10 plus 5 that is 15, there is no 15. If 3 aithe 13, there is no 13. If 9 తీసుకుంటే z value, so 10 plus 9 that is 19, here s is placing. Okay, that is 19, that is s. Okay, this possibility is applicable. Coming to the third one, if x is 16, 16 plus 3 19, and ikkada manamu z తీసుకోవచ్చు 16, 17, 18, 19. So here s is there. Okay, so ikkada manamu z ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం 3, that is 19, here s is there. Okay, these two are possibilities. Next, t is 2 years younger than a అంటున్నాడు. So t is 2 years younger than a. So where we can place? So in first possibility, if t a is here, t is placing here. So difference is 5 minus 3, that is 2 years. Coming to this one, a here and t తీసుకుంటే 9 minus 5 that is 4, or else ఒకవేళ 17 తీసుకుంటే, సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ పాసిబిలిటీ కూడా అప్లికబుల్ కాదు. So only one possibility will applicable, and the remaining person that is c is placing here. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. So koncham calculative, so check cheskondi neat ga. Next, let us move on to the questions like veldam. Question number 21, who among the following person born on 2005? So 2005, that is w. Who among the following person born just before c? That is yes. Who among the following person second youngest person? That is a. So second youngest in the means, so we need to check from here. Okay, oldest ante from top to bottom. Next, in which following year z was born? So z was born, that is 2012. How many persons born between c and x? So between c and x only one person is there. Next, how many such pairs are later in the word judgment? Judgment, many letters between as the English alphabet, both forward and backward. So if you calculate G H I J, only one pair is there. Okay, so only one pair is there, it is the answer. Next directions related. Point E is 3 meters to the east of T, which is 6 meters to the north of P. So, E is 3 meters to the east of T. Suppose T here, and E is 3 meters to the east of T, and T is 6 meters to the north of B. 6 meters. C is in west of B, and C is the west of B. So, direct distance ఇవ్వలేదు. U is 5 meters to the south of C. So, U is the 5 meters to the south of C. And next, O is 2 meters to the east of S, which is 8 meters to the south of E. So, from E, S is 8 meters to the south of E, and also O is 2 meters to the east of S. So, O is 2 meters to the south of S. 2 meters. And next, distance between C and B is double the distance between S and O. So, between S and O there is 2 meters, and here it is 4 meters is there. It is the final arrangement. So, let us discuss the questions. See the first question. In which direction E with respect to U? So, E here and U here. So, E is the northeast of U. What is the shortest distance between U and B? So, U here and B here, we need to find E distance ni find out cheyali. So, C and B and next U. Okay, it is 4, it is 5, it is the hypotenuse. So, direct ga hypotenuse square equal to 5 square plus 4 square, that is 25 plus 60. So, total is 41. So, total 6 plus 5 11, that is 41. Hypotenuse square equal to 41. Then what about hypotenuse? 41 meters. It is 41 meters, root 41 meters. Next, in which direction T with respect to O? So, T here and O here. So, that is northwest. T is the northwest of O. Question number 30. What is the total distance from S to C? So, S here and S to C. So, from here to here, it is 8 and 3 plus 6 and 4. So, 10, 18, that is 21 meters. Answer is 21 meters. Next, if we form a 5-letter meaningful word with 2nd, 5th, 6th, 8th and 10th, from left end of the word PowerPoint, from this word. So, what are the letters? 2nd letter and 5th letter and 6th and next 7th and 8th and 10th. So, O R P I T. So, O R P I T. So, by using these letters, how many meaningful words can be formed? So, ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే by using these letters we can't make any meaningful word. So, we can't make any meaningful word, no meaningful word. So, what is the answer? And if no meaningful word formed, mark as X. X is the answer. Next, 32 to 36. Eight persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W sit around a square table facing towards the center, but not necessarily in the same order. So, square table. Four of them sit corner and the rest of them middle, and all are facing center. So, all are facing center. Consecutive named persons as per alphabetical order don't sit adjacent to each other అంటున్నాడు. So, they are not sitting each other. Okay, this point is very, very important. See the first one. U sits immediate right of S. So, U is the immediate right of S. 3 persons sit between T and W who is adjacent to S. So, S here, if W is placing here, so just wait. So, S is corner and U here. Okay. So, in first possibility S is middle, second corner. Next, 3 persons sit between T and W who sits adjacent to S. So, W here, T here, and W and T. Next, V neither sit adjacent to T nor in the middle side. So, V is not adjacent to T. So, here and here also not T, and also middle kuda raadu. So, ikkada raadu, ikkada and ikkada raadante. So, where T here, T is placing here. Next, coming to the second possibility. So, here and here not T is not V is placing, it is V. It is V. Here T is there. Next, so middle kuda raadu kabatti where V is placing here. So, next, see the next one. R sits second to the left of P. Q is not adjacent to V. So, Q is not adjacent to V in the sense Q is placing here and not V here, not Q coming here, Q is not here. Remaining places lo check cheddam. R is second to the left of P. So, R is the second to the left of P. R is the second to the left of P. Next, coming to this possibility. So, R is second to the left of P. Suppose if R is placing here, R is placing here, second to the left of P. So, only Q is there, kabatti this possibility is not applicable. Okay. So, only first one is correct. So, V, P, W and next S, U, Q, T and R. So, let us move on to the questions. How many persons sit between R and T when counted from left of R? So, between R and T, from left of R there is no one is there. Who among the following person faces P, that is Q? Who among the following persons second to the right of Q? Second to the right of Q, that is R. Which among the following statement is true regarding Q antunadu? So, see first one, Q sits immediate left of U. So, Q is the immediate left of T actually. Q faces the one who is second to the left of V. So, Q faces immediate left of V and Q faces the one who immediate right of W, actually left of W. Q sits second to the right of S, it is correct one. Question number 36. Which one does not belonging into the group? W. So, W corner, S middle and U corner, T corner and V corner. Only S is the middle one. Next, 37. In the given number 82, 63, 52, 81 and 96, one is added to the even digit, one is subtracted from odd digit. So, first one add to the even digit, that is 9, 3, 7 and 3, 9 and 7. One is subtracted. So, one is subtract, next 2, 3 and next 0 and 8, and after that tarvata em cheyali and arrange them ascending order from left to right. From left to right. So, starting from 0, 2, 3, 3. So, 3 here and 3 here and 4, 7, 7 and 8, 9 and 9. Okay. So, it is the final arrangement. What will be the sum of the all odd digit places? So, sum of all odd digit places 0 and 3 plus 5 and next 7 and this one. So, 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9, that is 10, 19 and 23. So, 23 is the answer. Next, 38 to 40. So, questions chuddam okkasari, or else we can try to find each and every code. So, first of all, car, car and car. What is the code for car? So, that is double E, not double E, AS, HJ, HJ and HJ. Car code is HJ. Next, red. So what is the code for red? That is EE. So EE is the code for red. Next, fast, fast and fast. Code for fast, that is AS. Remaining, drive. What is the code for drive? TR is the drive. Second one, that is rain. So rain and rain. What is the code for rain? That is ZR. Remaining, heavy. Heavy is coded as IQ. Speed is coded as NP. Okay, so these are the codes for each and every word. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Question number 38. What is the code for word speed? So speed is code for, that is NP. Which among the following word is coded as HJ? HJ is, that is car, and none of this is the answer. So HJ is the car. What is the code for the word fast? Fast, that is AS. AS is the code for fast.